Welcome everyone. In this video lesson, I will be explaining how I made this church banner design. This one is a banner design. You can see my cursor. So I used 8 by 7 inches, but they printed it in feet. You get. So I'm sorry for not uploading last week Saturday. Yeah, I think I didn't upload last week Saturday. Yeah, because of some certain issues. That was the reason why I could not upload. Yeah, but I fixed it already. So I'm sorry for that. So today's lesson, I'll be explaining this church design. I also told that if you want me to do tutorial on any other video lesson or any flyer, you can also put it in the comment section or reach out to me via my WhatsApp. I'll leave my number in the description below of this video. Alright, thank you. Let's get straight to this video. Now, you know my video, I'm always original. I always show you what to do because as a beginner, there is something you need to know. You don't need to force yourself into learning. You don't need to put much pressure upon yourself like, oh, I want to start designing this, start designing that, blah blah blah. You just confuse your head with many concepts of designs. You get. So just take it one step at a time, step by step. You're gonna get it. I assure you that. And what you also need is consist. This same thing I was saying always, that oh, you need to be consistent. Yes, you really need to be consistent. You get, because the more you practice, the more you know how to do it. Don't assume. I always say in my video, don't assume you know how to do it. Any flyer design you see or any poster you see, please, I advise you do it. Do it, because someone reached out to me and said I should be giving some advice and tips regarding graphic design about newbies upcoming. Get. So the reason why I don't mostly do those too much talking, because not everyone have the patience to start listening to everything I'm going to say. So my advice will not waste. So that is the reason why I don't talk too much in my video. I just go straight to the point. Like I said, please don't assume you know. I prefer best you practice. Get. So let's continue. I'm gonna open this my power clip now for you to see. The reason why it's like this because the file is big. Get. So that is why it's like that. As you can see, this picture I edited it in Photoshop. You can see the fix. Yeah, this one I added the vignette. That's why you can see this noise. There's something like noise in the skin. Yeah. And this one also I edited it. As you can see, the face, see, it's very smooth because of this edit. Then let me click on F4 for you to see. Now, as you can see, this one is the one I did first. When I did this one, oh, I didn't like it because it was not just giving what I wanted, and the password did not accept. You get. So I had to redesign it again, but I'm going to delete all these ones. So you can see designing. The reason why I just showed you this map, the one I did first before I did this other one that was accepted, for you to know that you definitely will make mistake. You get. Even the top big designers you can think of, any platform, you know, their design, they still get rejected. You know, that's something I want you to know. Their designs still get rejected. So you just know you're gonna face that. So let's continue. I'm gonna copy my background. Let me just group this one. I'm gonna copy this background. Let me group it. And let me copy Control C. Finish. Don't forget your outline as your guidelines. Don't forget your guideline. I'll be dropping a very powerful flyer design this week Saturday. So if you're not yet subscribed, please do that. You're welcome. If you're already a subscriber, come to another video lesson. You know, as usual, I normally drop my videos Wednesday and Saturdays 8 p.m. Nigerian time. So if you want me to work for you or you want to join my Master 101 class, reach out to me on WhatsApp. I'll be willing to teach you Master 101 class and work for your brand, reaching out from anywhere in the world. So let's continue. So I used 8 by 7. I'm gonna use same point here. 8 by 7. Enter. Alright, let's arrange this properly. Is it 8 by 7 or 7 by 8? 8 7. 8 7. Alright, let's okay, yeah, correct. F4. Control V. Then this background I got it from Pinterest too. Yeah, if you want to download it, it's very simple. Go to Pinterest, just search for church flyer, church background. You're gonna get it from there. Then I removed something with Gemini. As you can see the logo. Let me zoom it. I used Gemini to remove something. That's why you can see this logo. Yeah, that's why I covered it with this other one. No, my content, my designs, they are authentic. As you know, I always go straight to the point. I always tell you the fact. I can't say because of I want to get engagement so that people will not know. Start no. I want you to know that this is original. I don't fake things here. So let's continue. But if you download it, you're not gonna get something like this. So let me ungroup it, Control U. Let me show you something. This is what you are gonna get. This one is just normal shape. This is the original background. Then I need that. Oh, I can't just do something like this. Let me just cover this one. As you can see, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. That was where I covered it with this white stuff. Finish editing. So yeah, let's continue. I'm gonna bring this one. Yeah, this logo is very simple. If you want to get it, it's very simple. Look at it. Just come over. As you can see my cursor, come over to this other one. This polygon, common shapes. Come over here. You can just see my cursor. Follow my cursor. Click on it. Then find. You can see love. Click on love. Then you put your control key. You get your love. Double click. Click on red. That's the first color. Remove the outline. F12. Then none. Okay it. As you can see. Then duplicate this guy. Alright, let me show you. Duplicate it. The top. Then white. That's how you get this church flyer design. This is a church logo. Then click right FPM. FPM. Then you can just use this in the normal area. Then you reduce the point. The point. I think it's still too much. Let's see 8. I think 8 is okay. Yes, 8 is okay. Then next we're gonna group these two. Ctrl G. Then you can Ctrl Z. So you can see. So you get this perfect shape. You get. So that's how to draw love. Very shortcut. But I can still show you the long cut too. If you want that one. Nice for just professional. That's what you normally know how to do when you're learning, when you need to CorelDRAW, drawing shapes, using this your normal to draw shape. This one is very simple. Convert to curve, Ctrl U, Ctrl Q, double click. Like this. I think it was curve. I think it was something like this. Curve again. Yeah, I think I'm gonna double click on this guy. Ctrl Z. Then place this guy properly. I already stated that when my mouse is not straight to yes, that's you're gonna keep it like this. Just like that's something or something. Okay. What I was looking for. Then you make the adjustments properly. This one is when you are learning, so you're very good drawing shape with your free hand. Get so because I told you my hand is bad, that was why I could not get that shape. But I'm not gonna edit the video, I'm gonna leave it like that. This present I used area. I'm gonna duplicate it. Ctrl Z. So, keep it there. And this super, that was the way I got it, but you can also generate it also. Just search for can just download super. Just go to Pinterest, write super. You get it. Just search for 3D test super. Download it. Remove background. Go back to remove BG. Remove background. So that one is like that. That was it. I got that one. This breaking through, I used Stretch Pro 16.33 point. That was what I used. Then this other one, all these boxes you are seeing is very simple. Look at how I got it. Just draw your Draw your box to your preferred size. Let's say F2. F2. As you can see, reduce the size properly to how you want it, then move it downwards, move it downwards. More of like this step. Your first color dark blue, second color black, third color red. Then you group, I like three of them, F12. That's for you to remove the outline. None. Okay, wait. You can see that was how I got it. Now, the reason I did this thing you can see here, so it's just to complement the design. You get, that's to show difference between, that's how I put it, to give attraction to what's the 500 representing breaking through, but that's not the theme. So I'm gonna group all these ones, then I'm gonna duplicate it. Then this image, I'm gonna bring over the image. Ctrl Z, Ctrl C, finish editing. Double click on this one, Ctrl V. I already talked about how I got these images. Then this other line, this one is very simple. Let me see, copy it. This you can download it also from Pinterest. I got it from Pinterest. How did I ever searched it again? Now download this white edge. Just find a way to describe it. I forgot how I described it. Yeah, okay, it's too much. If you've not subscribed, please do that in a second. You're learning awesome designs from here. If you want me to work for you, reach out to me on WhatsApp. I believe my number in the description below of this very video. So this theme prophecy, as you can see, is very simple. I used augmented and black, then I drew shape, I curved the edge. I'll show you this one in most of my videos. If you not watch my videos, you can still check my page. I've dropped good tutorial that are also beneficial to newbie to CorelDRAW or someone who's already using CorelDRAW. Finds CorelDRAW difficult. I always simplify Corel designs or any designs at all. Here, if you want me to design anything, I should send it to me on WhatsApp or put in the comment section. I'm going to respond to you as soon as possible. So that was how I got that one. Then this date I used 9. This one is just normal text. Then this other one, yeah, as you can see. Let me group all these ones so I can duplicate. It's very simple. And this other one as well. I'm gonna copy group. Let me group, copy, and paste. So yeah, then what I did last was this light effect. I think light effect was last thing I did there in that video in this design. So I'm gonna copy light effect from here. Ctrl C, finish editing, double click, Ctrl V. Then I placed it here, as you can see. This light effect to give this reflection on top the image. So that is the use for it. As you can see, because I know that this there is something like this center that I don't want it to show. You can see I placed it inside the color, inside this white stuff. That's this stuff. This white. And I added this one here as complement also. Let's complement. So I think that should be all for that. If you're not subscribed, please do that. Don't forget to like, comment, share to other graphic designer who finds CorelDRAW difficult. Thanks for sticking with me. Now, lastly, don't forget to remove your background. Just outline none. Let's see. Let's F9. So yeah, see, I did this on myself and I showed you how I got it with this other one. So it is on my hope and I'm convinced. I already showed you how to design this church flyer design using CorelDRAW from scratch till finish. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave an amazing like, music comment, like and share. I've been talking so much. Please watch it to the very end. Thank you. I'm gonna catch you, man. Next video lesson on Saturday. Thank you for sticking around.